Hello there, I'm Lydia from Altenew, and I am just popping in to introduce our new 24 pan watercolor pan set. If you loved our previous 36 watercolor pan set, you are going to love these. They come in with some pretty vibrant shades, and I am going to show them to you. So these are all the colors that you are going to get in the new 24 pan. So we have white, we have yellows, oranges, pinks, reds, purples, blues, tealy colors, greens, browns, and a dark grey as well. Now these work really well on all different watercolor cardstocks, and you can create various different techniques and effects using them. You don't necessarily have to use the colors that you do have. You can mix the colors together to create your own custom shades as well. We really do hope that you enjoy using these, and we really can't wait to see what you create.